USAID and IRD's SPR program, creating a more level playing field in employment for Afghan women in Afghanistan. Many people talk about helping women in places like Afghanistan where their treatment is often harsh and basic things like educational opportunities are not available. Creating an even playing field for women in things ranging from equal protection under the law to the chance for fair and equal employment opportunities has been a goal of the international community ever since the fall of the repressive Taliban regime. But in a nation such as Afghanistan, which is dealing with so many problems resulting from decades of war and destruction, and where the rules of society often allow mistreatment, where do you begin to change the status of women? Perhaps one way to make a positive impact is for the international community of donors to work more closely together and with Afghan women in creating innovative approaches to solving contemporary gender issues. This is exactly what the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, did when it established its Implementer Gender Group. As a leader in this effort, USAID's Office for Infrastructure, Engineering, and Energy, known as OIEE, has been the setting for an Implementer Gender Group, which will work with implementing partners of USAID programs to help create a meaningful strategy to help women take more effective roles in international development efforts. And as one of its implementing partners, International Relief and Development's Southern Provincial Roads Program, SPR, was chosen to chair the working group and lead the initial stages of the gender process. IGG meetings were venues for coordinating efforts and utilizing resources among USAID-funded projects. It is a promising framework that will provide new ways of gender thinking in Afghanistan, and it will allow organizations to exchange valuable lessons learned. OIEE implementing partners are committed to strive for sustainable targeted assistance to help the most vulnerable groups of women. The group will also help to evaluate how Afghan women can be better integrated into meaningful roles in development programs, as well as how men can take an active role to support the process. USAID and IRD's SPR adhere to the government of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan's emphasis on the roles and rights of women as outlined in the National Action Plan for the Women of Afghanistan. Therefore, gender was considered in all its key components in order to promote gender equality and equal access to resources and funds. Since SPR builds roads, one of the components of the program was to train female engineers and support women-owned businesses to compete for projects. A second component was to encourage the voices of women in the communities along the roads through the Community Development and Capacity Building Program known as COCB. 82 female community development councils and development groups were involved specifically to give a voice to the concerns of women in the communities along the SPR roads. And funds were set aside for projects that speak to the practical needs of women, such as better livelihoods, medical care, and skills training. To support this, there have been 15 gender officers recruited and trained to facilitate the field work in Kabul, Kandahar, Jalalabad, and Gardez. Finally, SPR ensured that a larger percentage of jobs within its program were filled by qualified female candidates, aiming to promote equal opportunity in the workplace and help to level the playing field for qualified Afghan women. Currently, more than 25% of the SPR employee base is female. Changes in real and comprehensive equality for Afghan women will take time. Afghan society will need that time to absorb and to establish new ways of thinking toward women. But in the meantime, USAID and SPR are beginning a real process of creating meaningful opportunities for Afghan women within the programs being funded by the United States of America in Afghanistan.